head to toes. Friends line up to try it too, laughing at the crazy view. Everyone looks so unique, funniest hat of all the week. They parade around the space, smiles bright on every face, dancing in a funny line. Silly moments feel so fine.